Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something that I don't normally do, which is cooking food to sustain life. To begin this exciting venture into the kitchen today, I'm going to be trying Kylie Jenner's famous flaky toast. So what makes this flaky toast so exciting, so different? Well, my friend, that is because Kylie Jenner made it. So she did us common folks a favor and put it on her Instagram story highlights. So if you follow her, you can go on her page. I'll put it right here. You can click the little cook emoji. So easy. Thank you so much, Kylie. I've been practicing for this one. Stormy. All right, so the first frame is kind of a layout of the ingredients. There seems to be some type of egg mixture, some cinnamon, some cereal, a little vanilla extract, some sugar, and bread. I mean, easy enough. I don't think I can mess this one up. Okay, so it says it's made with a mixture of eggs, milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and then crushed up frosted flakes. Step 1, melt butter in plate. Step 2, a little brown sugar never hurt nobody. Things are moving fast here. There's not much directions. So I'm going to do the liberty of finding a legit recipe for this because I don't want to steer you guys the wrong way. It's honestly embarrassing for me having zero life skills. Thank you, mother, and not knowing how to make anything. So I'm going to follow a professional's directions. Hopefully I can figure it out. So I found a really good recipe guide to follow. So we're gonna prep everything. Let me get the ingredients right in front of us. You know, to get into the spirit, the embodiment of Miss Kylie Jenner, I need to bouging up myself. I feel ridiculous in this Nirvana shirt. This is so Kylie 2013. We're gonna put on our Barefoot Dreams robe, so. Okay, now she's feeling rich. She's feeling sophisticated. I don't know why I put on something with sleeves to cook, but it felt appropriate. Did I put it on top of my clothes? Yes, I did. Why did I do this? I don't know and I'm having regrets, but I'm already in too late. So literally I can start feeling the upper lip sweat. Thank you very much. Step 1, crush those frosted flakes up, fam. First, you will need frosted flakes. I personally don't eat cereal and stuff, so I got a little cuppy of them. We also got cinnamon. Next, we have Miss Vanilla Extract. Next thing you need is Miss Eggs. You also need whole milk. Next, we have some salted butter. Most importantly, we have some thick old bread. So now that we have all of the ingredients, we're going to open up Miss Ziploc baggie and we're gonna put Miss Frosted Flakes in it. So, ooh, oh no. Why'd I tear it like that? Who tears things like that? Oh gosh. Okay. Is that gonna be enough? Oh shit. You're gonna lay her down gently like this and you're gonna get it out, bitch. Get it out. Wait, listen. It sounds so good. Okay. Oh, okay. I ripped the Ziploc bag. So we're gonna smooth out the flakes and then get rid of the rest. Okay, Miss Roomba, you can get to that later. It now says combine eggs, milk, and vanilla and cinnamon in a shallow dish. All right, we're gonna take the milk and it says to put in 1/3 cup. First of all, I don't know how much that is. I actually don't drink milk anymore, so this is very new territory to me, but you know, if Kylie's having milk, so am I. So I'm assuming 1/3 is gonna be half of that. Oh, the shallow dish doesn't look, it looks a little too shallow. Okay, we're putting that much milk. I need to add 2 eggs. All right, so luckily this has a hard surface, so I can't mess this up too bad. See, we're professional now. Okay, maybe we can still be bad. Okay. Like, I feel like some people do it so beautifully. And here I am just going, okay. Okay, well, luckily there's no shell in it, okay? Imagine me cooking for you. This is kind of like me cooking for you. Also, it says add vanilla extract and cinnamon, but it didn't say how much, so... I mean, I could phone a friend, but, you know, we're gonna live a little. We're gonna add, like, a drop, because I feel like this is strong, right? That's more than enough. I feel like maybe I put too much. I don't know how much cinnamon to add. We're gonna put in a lot, because I really like cinnamon. Do you guys remember the cinnamon challenge? Okay, that was way too much cinnamon. We're gonna use my butter knife to mix the concoction. It says melt a knob of butter in a pan over medium heat. Medium heat is really important. Keep butter handy for later. Dip a slice of the French toast bread in the egg mixture. Let it soak for a few seconds. Let the other side soak for a few seconds. Cover the soaked bread in the crumb. What do people do with the top slice of bread? Please explain in the comments. Wait, she's not the prettiest piece of bread. I need this to be pretty. We're gonna put her back. I live alone, don't judge me. Why does it look so weird? Like, this doesn't even look like toast. We're gonna soak her in the mixture. What classifies as a few seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, it's soggy. It's soggy AF. Hated how soggy it was. It was like disgusting. Ew, oh my God. That is just diabolical. Wait, it kind of already looks good. Not gonna lie. Kylie Jenner might be onto something. We gotta work on my confidence with cooking, guys. Let's warm that knob of butter. All right, ladies, I have my iPad set up there so I can see myself, but we're gonna go ahead and start this on medium heat and put in our knob of butter, which I still have no idea what that is. I guess we wait. Is it on? It basically says to leave it on the melted butter 6 minutes on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead, wait for that to melt and do that. Feeling my Paula Deen fantasy. Okay, we need to speed this up. I'm putting the heat higher. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Okay, I need to time this. So I like my stuff extra toasty. So we're gonna leave it on a 6-minute timer for each side. The timer is going off, so we're gonna flip her. Hopefully it doesn't ruin. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Oh yes, honey. Why does she not look cooked? Am I doing something wrong?
You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that.
Smoking up a storm, but oh my God, it's hard to do with one hand. Oh no! 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 It's burnt! Oh my God, I knew there was a smell. Can I just scrape that part off? I'm still gonna eat it. Here's we have burnt the Kylie Jenner toast a little bit. But you know, some people like their French toast burnt, and I am one of those people, I've decided today. All right. So now I'm sweaty, the AC is on, and I'm ready to eat this shit. By the way, the pan is not hot anymore. I let her cool down for the thumbnail. Ready for the first bite, everyone. Oh my God, you guys have to try this. Oh, also, I forgot to add in, I sprinkled a little bit of brown sugar on top like Kylie did at the end. Chef's kiss. Even like the burnt part in the back doesn't taste that bad. I might have to make this every day. I would rate this a 9 out of 10. If you guys try this, please tag me. Thanks, Kylie. Let me know if you want me to try other people's recipes or eat like them for a day. You guys, I'm very proud of myself for that recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, if you guys have any suggestions or video requests, leave them down below and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Bestie, I'm afraid to ask you this, but subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.